What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be, of course, a hair tutorial. So I have my lace laid, but I did not cut it off yet. Sprayed a little bit of Got to Be Glued. So I'm going to be trying to do like a little series. This is not included in that, but of course, I don't want my wig and weave videos to get repetitive. Of course, I have my natural hair videos, but I also want to you know, have something for a little bit of something for everybody. So for my wig slash weave people, I will be trying DIYs. I'll be doing more sewing machine wig videos, and then also I'm going to start not really a series, but I don't know, summer hairstyles, the best summer weave, stuff like that. And then also sorry y'all, my dad called me. But I'm starting, I don't want to really call it a series, but I'm going to have a series of videos trying out different adhesives, whether it be Bold Hold, Ghost Bond, Eco Styler has adhesives, and other companies and brands like that, Wig Tape, whatever you guys want me to try. That way, when you guys do get your wigs or weaves or whatever, you can just refer back to the video with the adhesive that you actually have to see how I use it, and what were my thoughts on it, if that makes sense. You know, because a lot of people, they'll watch my video of me applying my wig with Got to Be Glued, and they're like, well, I don't have Got to Be Glued, I have Gorilla Snot. So that way you'll be able to refer back to the video that has me applying the wig with Gorilla Snot, instead of looking at one that has nothing to do with the stuff that you have at home. I hope that makes sense. But now let's get into this hair. This is some really pretty hair, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is really long. So let's get into the hair specs. This hair is from Annabelle hair. This is an AliExpress company. This is their kinky curly hair. As you guys can see, I love kinky curly hair because it's like super full and voluminous, and like for summer vibes, especially if you're going on vacation, like everybody always wants some bomb curly hair, like always, never fails. I have a 18-inch frontal. I believe the frontal is like 13 by 4 or 13. Yes, 13 by 4. And then I have inches 20, 22, and 24. So I have 3 bundles in total in this wig. And I did actually do this wig on the sewing machine, so it didn't take me long to make this wig. But I do want to say that I used every single bundle. And if you plan on making a wig with it, and you plan on doubling your wefts, I would say try getting 4 bundles, because I did run a little short with the bundles, but I made it fit, or I made it work rather, because I didn't have enough, but I made it work. Kind of like spaced them out a little bit more, especially because when you have longer lengths of hair, the wefts tend to be smaller, so you don't have as much hair because the hair is longer. Yeah, I'm finna define these curls, try something new, because I never usually put product on my curly hair, but like kinky curly hair can get really big, like I said before. So I'm going to try putting in like a product in the hair to kind of calm it down a little bit, and see if this will be like a bomb beach style vacation type of style. So I'm not gonna do much, but I'm going to use my spray bottle, and then I have this weightless direct leave-in weightless moisture conditioner from Giovanni. The words are like really light, and the bottle is white, so it's not really showing up, but I'll put the name in the description box and all of that. I've never actually used this conditioner. It's full. I bought it from Amazon, so I'm gonna add a little bit of that in my water, and we're gonna see what it do, and then I'm gonna come back and finish out my wig, and then we'll find out if this is the perfect summer hair, period. So I have the back of the wig parted out, and as you can see, the curls are still somewhat looking like they just came out the box, because I haven't really done anything with it. This is literally the hair straight onto the wig, out the box. Yeah, like I didn't define the curls, anything. So I'm gonna split that in half. I should have got a towel, but spray bottle, apply product, use Demon Brush. I'm gonna finish this and we're gonna come back and finish the wig. I'm gonna play y'all some music because I know y'all don't want to listen to me combing my hair, and I'm finna watch my show. And yeah, let's get to it. Your girl is finished defining the hair. So now I'm finna move this mirror up so I can see. And we finna cut this lace off, okay? What I'm going to do is take my bandana and just push it back. Like that. So it's still keeping the hair out of the way. Ooh, I plucked that thing. Pluck that thing, okay, honey? So yeah, take my scissors and snip snip out. It's like, nah. All right, so I wish I had my razor, but I don't. So I'm just gonna take the scissors and kind of do like an up and down motion and cut down the lace. And like I said, I tacked the frontal down with Got to Be Glued first, and then FedEx ground is here, and then, okay, that's in my face, I put the scarf on instead of cutting the lace off first and then tacking it down. I've never tried this method before, but it's actually pretty decent. Not bad. I always have trouble on this side though, so I'm gonna start from the bottom and go up. And you know, of course some parts is coming up a little bit, but we can fix it. Go back and spray some Got to Be Glued. So you can see the little white cast, of course, because it is coming up a little bit, but like I said, it's okay. I'm gonna spray a little bit of Got to Be Glued. Y'all, I'm back, and honestly, the way this lace is looking right now, I don't think I want to do baby hairs. I was gonna do baby hairs, but I don't think it's happening. So what I'm gonna do, take a little bit of the Got to Be Glued gel, and I'm just gonna make some little natural looking, you know, little swoops to add to the illusion. Let me take off this bandana first. But yo, I plucked this joint to the gods. Like, sis, might have just did something. All right, so I'm just gonna take, and I don't want to really make baby hairs. I just kind of want to make it look like, you know how like when your hair is wet and you brush your edges back and it look like you could just kind of like swoop it. I hope that makes sense. That's how I want it to look, like that. Yeah. Hey, this wig's gonna make me play some Megan Thee Stallion because I'm feeling myself, honey. My feeling myself music is Megan, like anything Megan Thee Stallion, because sis just make you feel empowered, like, period. Yo, like, I really don't even want to do a part. I'm finna spray this right here. And I'm gonna brush it back like that, because I want people to see these edges, honey, because they look good. Do you hear me? This wig is banging. Do you hear me? It's a banger. Period, poo. Quick little secret. If you want to lay down your part real quick without what's it called, getting the hot comb, because you don't feel like getting it or whatever, just going with your spray bottle in the part, and then you grab your handy dandy slick back brush. You brush that joint in there like that. Then I'm gonna take just a little bit more of the gel and have me a little, you know, you always gotta have a sideburn at least. Little cute little sideburn. Sideburn action, little bit. And this, I wanted to do, I'm gonna do a slick back style, but like, this isn't even a slick back style. It's just hair out of your face style, and it look banging. Like, you can't tell me I'm not from the Bahamas. Yes. I think this is it. Annabelle. Y'all might have did something with this. Y'all, I messed with this hair. I feel cute. I think it's lit. I'm hype. I'm gonna put on some earrings. That's how long this is how long the 24 inches comes up on me when the hair is wet, all the way down to basically my butt. I'm a fan. I took my time on this thing, plucking this thing, and summer, here we are. Real, give up about a big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures, stripes on my, so we caught it on a same group, but ain't no edit to the picture, period. Act up, you could get snatched up. Act up, you could get snatched up. I'm hyped. This is cute. I'm sorry, I just had a ratchet moment. I mess with this heavy. But yeah, I think this is it. I'm gonna leave all their links and everything in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think it passed the test. This is good summer vacation, summer hair, so you can act up and get snatched up. When I say snatched up, I mean cuffed up. Okay, period, sis. We got to get ready for fall. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.